Alright, so I have this battery here that basically has no voltage reading because it's weak. So let's see if I can get this demonstrate. Alright, so here we have 0.6 volts. This iPod will not turn on. So what we're going to do is jump start it. And to do that, we just apply a voltage. So my meter, applying voltage to the battery. At some point it should turn on. Give it a shot. Yeah, so I have it turned on. I just hit the power button. And yeah, and I just removed power, and you can see that the battery, it's running off battery right now. So if I were to measure the voltage again, should have close to running voltage. Yeah. 3.7. So you jump start a battery on an iPod Touch. Thank you and have a good day.